Thanks again for joining us. We are Eco Cleaning Experts. Today, we're bringing you the upstairs of a post-construction cleaning that we did. So we're going to start from one bathroom and we're going to end in another bathroom. So this is just show you the results and how it looks after all the dust has been removed, the haze has been removed, plastic has been removed, place has been steam cleaned and sanitized. And so this is how it looks. Enjoy. And now, while we are in the upstairs bedroom, let me remind you whenever you are changing your windows, think about cleaning them. Make sure that you be able to clean them from the inside, right? If it's a one-way window, like they only clean from the outside, it's going to be more expensive for you to clean. So keep that in mind. And now this is the last bathroom. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. And if you would like to book our post-construction cleaning services, we are in Brooklyn. We serve Queens and Manhattan, also in Brooklyn. Contact us. Bye bye.